Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla doing his atomic blast. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. To start off with our atomic blast Godzilla, let's begin right here at the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve over and then up. Make a little curved line right around here, and a little line back here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to kind of curve this over. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve here with some broken lines. I'm going to bring this line up and then kind of down to here. Then starting here, let's go down and then curve it back. Let's draw a line that's going to curve out to here, and then we're just going to bring it down. Let's make a long line that's going to kind of do the same thing, and we'll color in a little bit here. We're going to bring this line down and a couple little broken lines around here. Next, I'm going to make another little line right there. I'm going to make some little kind of broken lines. They're just going to curve down. And then we're going to go to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here with some more little broken lines. I'm going to take this line, we're going to go down, and we're going to bring it up. Then we're going to just kind of make these little kind of broken spaces up here for the jaw. We're going to curve a few little lines here, and then we're just going to kind of put some extra little lines in there. Then we're going to put some sharp teeth in here. We're going to put a couple here, and we're going to leave some space, put one here. Then we're going to put a few different size ones right around there. Then we're going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to put some different size sharp teeth there. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and another line that's going to come down and up, and then back to here. We're going to bring this over. Then we're going to make a little broken line here. Next, we're going to make a couple little lines here for the other side of the mouth. Next, we're just going to make some little lines. We're just going to kind of go up and then down. And we're just going to kind of make these get bigger and then bigger. And then when we get to here, we're just going to start leaving some space. Now, right here, I'm going to bring this line over. Then I'm going to kind of curve this up and then down. I'm going to kind of repeat the same thing, kind of bring it up and then over. So we're going to go down, up, and then over. And we're just going to keep repeating this all around here until we get to right about here. Next, I'm going to bring some lines that are going to kind of go down and over, and then down here. Now, right about here, I'm going to make this line that's going to kind of curve around and then down for Godzilla's arm. Make a little curve here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a couple little small spikes. Then I'm going to make a taller one here. Now I'm going to make this one kind of come up. We're going to make it kind of jagged and then come back down. Make another one that's going to come really high up, nice and pointy, and then we're going to bring this down. Now I'm going to make this one kind of come up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then kind of curve it in. We'll do the same thing here, bring it down and in. And we're just going to kind of make these shapes right here. I'm going to add a few more little curves right there. Next, let's draw kind of like a long broken line down each of these. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then I'm just going to kind of connect it into here. I'm going to bring this line down and up here. We're going to make some little kind of broken lines along here for some detail. Then we're going to bring some lines kind of over and then down here. We're going to make some little kind of broken lines along here. And then kind of along the nose too. We'll make some lines coming up here. And then some more little curved spaces right there. We'll make some more of these broken lines right along here. And then some little lines up there. And we'll kind of curve some little shapes along here. We're going to make some kind of like rounded little oval shapes here just to kind of show where there's a little bit of different texture on Godzilla's jaw. And then we're just going to kind of curve some lines around here, just kind of add that detail. We're going to bring these lines up here. And then we're just going to make some lines kind of coming across here. We'll bring some little details up here. And then let's go ahead and add these small little lines on here. Just to kind of show where like Godzilla's gills are going to be located. We're going to add lots of little details right around here. Then we're going to add some lines kind of right around here too. We're going to make some long lines coming around here. And some lines along here as well. Then we're going to make some lines here. And then some lines all over here. We're also going to make some of these kind of triangular shapes with a couple little lines underneath it, just to kind of give the effect of like some more scales and stuff. Right across here, let's make some large kind of wavy broken lines. Then let's go ahead and add some little lines coming down just to kind of give that effect of like the scales. I like to add these little lines on one side just to kind of help with some detail. You can put some smaller lines on the other side, but keep the big lines all on the same side. Then we're just going to add some extra little details on here. Now, up on the dorsal plates, we're just going to make some of these quick little lines. I like to make a lot of them coming from like the base of Godzilla, just to kind of make it look a little more interesting, and then kind of following the curve a little bit on some of these. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla getting ready to do his atomic blast. Now we'll add the atomic blast in here with the markers so you guys can see how to do that. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.